First of all, happy Republic Day to one and all. In fact, it is a pleasure to hand over this certificate, though digitally. And I must congratulate the team DPS for such a wonderful initiative. And I'm actually amazed to see the initiative and the Josh. I must tell you that as a young boy, when I had a dream to become an army officer and create records, and today it's a reality. So it is very important to have dreams in your eyes because the dreams keep you focused and make you achieve them. And uh, one must accept the failure in life because failures uh, are part and parcel of life. They are like small uh, wars. So in life, you fight and lose little battles, small battles to win the actual war of life. As it is today depicted by the Josh of your team, and I'm quite sure that within a day or two you'll be able to achieve this new height as well. And uh, I must uh, thank to the principal, the chairman, and the director of the DPS Nadargul for giving me an opportunity to be here with you all and witness the wonderful celebration of your school on this Republic Day. And I wanted to tell you that, as I mentioned earlier, uh, small failures are part of life. And I've seen youngsters like you also to get dejected with these failures. But I must assure you, with my personal experience uh, and a small story of my life, uh, that when I was in year 2003, I was selected to go for Mount Everest expedition, and I was thrilled, and I was in cloud nine, as it is a dream of every mountaineer to climb Mount Everest. But uh, as man proposes and God disposes, I couldn't go for that expedition. I was down, feeling bad, but I held on to my dreams. And subsequently, in year 2016, along with my NCC girls team, I was on top of Mount Everest on 22nd May and was thrilled and uh, was actually filled with the gratitude for the Almighty, uh, my parents, my friends, and on top of all, the fire within me, which kept my dreams alive. So it is very important uh, to hold on to your dreams because uh, when you wait for it, God made you wait for these achievements, but He gives you with bigger achievements. Like in this case, if, despite of failure of my oxygen cylinder, we reached the top and created a world record along with my team. So trust you must. That is the key. And uh, one more thing, it is always a teamwork. This I have learned from my personal experience and the various expeditions, record breaking ones, which I have done. All of them are not a single man show. It is always a team effort. And if you uh, help others to achieve their dreams, you always will be able to achieve your dreams as well. So it is very important to make others also achieve their dreams of life. And that is how all these Guinness Book of World Records we created. And in the end, I must tell you that it is always that you need to have Josh in your life as well as Hosh in your life, as it is in said in army. Uh, Josh should always be high, and at the same time, your Hosh should always be all right. So, as many of you have heard also, the saying, "How is the Josh?" You say, "It is high, sir." And when at the same time it is also said, "How is the Hosh?" You say, "All right, sir." So, how is the Josh and how is the Hosh?
Children, if
Jai
you
Hind,
cannot speak, you'll
Jai
have to at
Bharat.
least raise your hands. Okay? Promising that the Josh and the Hosh will always be maintained in our school grounds. I respect and thank you so much once again, sir, for greeting us on this day. We would once again accord a warm welcome to you physically when the school reopens, because a person of your stature, if my children meet you in person, it would be a real good event for them. Thank you so much, Colonel
It
Vishal.
will be. I thank each one of you and wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.